Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you ever tried to wasting a time by crafting your own ad copy or buying a costly service bundle that overpromise and underdeliver, you are definitely in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this AI Seller 2.0, what it can really do, the good, the bad, and even some surprising parts no one else is talking about. I'll also break down who's this perfect for, where it fails, and by the end, I'll reveal 5 additional bonuses you can get for free if you buy this product through my link. So stick around till the end. So what does exactly this AI Seller 2.0 can really do? What makes it special? This AI app creates viral marketing campaign on autopilot. Literally, it generates product lead capture pages, product review videos, special offer pages, and lead magnets, all powered by AI. Some of the big features include AI generated product lead capture page to maximize your leads and AI generated product review videos that looks professional without you needing to record anything. Then AI generated special offer page crafted to convert, and finally AI generated lead magnets designed to captivate your audience. So if you want to save time and automate your marketing, this is kind of a tool that promise to do just that. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what I found to be the pros first. 4 unique problem this product solves. It automates lead capture page creation, no tech skill needed. It crafts product review videos automatically, so need not to script or record anything. It builds special offers pages that help increase conversation. Then it generates lead magnets that actually engage your target audience. Now for the cons, and honestly they are pretty minor. There is no fully interactive demo video available for this particular product. Some features might require a bit of a learning curve if you are new to AI tools. But overall, these aren't major deal breakers. Since this product focusing on marketing campaign, there aren't traditional gameplay clips or demos, but to help you to get clarify on what you get inside, here is some sample clips of campaigns and video styles that AI can generate. After careful consideration, this is my ratings and final verdict. To set up, I'm giving 4 out of 5, pretty smooth and straightforward. And for pricing range, I'm giving again 4 out of 5. Great value for what you get, and value for money, I'm giving 4 out of 5. Very good ROI potential. Then quality of graphics and video, I'm again giving 4 out of 5, professional and very well polished. Now before we wrap up, if you buy this product through my link, I do get small commission, and to compensate for that, I'm giving you these 5 exclusive bonus. Not only that, you are getting additional tons of bonus which I'm showing in the screen. You can get 100 plus free templates for video editing, viral video scripts for can use, and AI video creation script to automate your content. Then you can get AI automation ebook to level up your workflow, and then finally you can get a AI cartoon animation video bundle to make your videos pop up with efficiently. Remember, you can only get these bonuses by purchasing through my link in the description. That's it guys. If you want more tips and tricks like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I regularly share bonuses and insights in my YouTube shorts too. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment. If you have any questions about this software, I'm here to help to solve your problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.